And here's why building a PC is so expensive now, and the main reason will make you furious, all because of the RAM costs. After overproduction in previous years, companies reduced output to restore profits, which caused shortages. The switch from DDR4 to DDR5 also mattered. DDR5 is more complex and more expensive to produce, but this is only a part of the problem. In late 2025 and early 2026, RAM prices went up mainly because of a sharp rise in demand from AI and data centers. AI servers need huge amounts of fast memory, so manufacturers moved capacity from regular PC RAM to server DRAM and HBM. If this makes you angry too, you know what to do.